God, mangisan tayo nga dayaw ka, Lord. Ikiday ko oras, ikiday ko nga. Magyaman kami, O Lord God, ikiday ko nga. Barang ako yan, help, O Lord God, blessings sa ipapaalis ka na kami. Thank you very much, O Lord God. Ako, ikiday ko nga oras, panagdalyasan ni Lord, nawanan mo kami, kasi kakali Lord, maglinis mo, when mo, mangwanwan, ikidalan ni Lord, at makasakin. Mapan kami ikipapanan ni Lord, ang dalyasan kami nga safe and sound, nga daan Lord, ikitalna, sa kurang sa akin, ikigalbay sa kalakami, tas kantumat Lord, ikipanagawid nito, si kantumat lang, O Lord God, imakiada kalakami. Ako, i-bless na kami, si kan Lord, take control, kaya dahil itilawat ni kararag mo nga dumala.
Amen.
Motor tamad ko na.
Di ba kapag kumakas sa'yo eh, ano?
Oo! Hindi ka?
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the